Okay, let's go and review. So the first item on the list, let's go to page 411 and let's do number 40. Okay, so this one, it says the center is on x plus y equal to 4 and is tangent to both x and y axes. Okay, so first, you know what, let's go and sketch these things out. It will be helpful. Okay, so center is on here. Okay, so let's go and make x equal to 0, then y will equal to 4. If you did y equal to 0, x will equal to 4. Okay, so let's go and graph this one. So this is page 411, number 40. Okay, so you got 0, 4 and 4, 0. Okay. And so the center is on this line and it's tangent to both x and the y axes. So by just looking at this, by figuring it out, okay, that means if they are both tangent to that axis, that means x and y have to be equal, right? That means x have to equal to y, okay, on this. So the point would be right over here. So you can see that the circle is going to be like right over here, okay. In order to fulfill, again, you can try different points to see how it's going to fulfill this requirement, okay. So you can tangent to both x and the y axis, and the center is on this line. Okay, so the only way you can fulfill is when x equal to y is right over here. So once you do that, you can figure out your center. Center is at 2, 2. Okay, so that's your center right over here. So that means your equation would be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal to, and over here you can see the radius equal to 2, right? Again, that's why it's so important to sketch out. It helps you to visualize. So radius equal to 2, so this would be equal to 4, okay? And that's your answer for this problem, okay? So again, it's very important you sketch things out and help you to visualize. Okay, let's go to the next item on the list. Let's go to page 415 and let's go and do number 14. Okay, so for this one, it's the parabola. It tells you number 14. The focus is at -2, 0, and directrix is y equal to 3. Okay, so again, it's very important you sketch everything out. It helps you to visualize and it helps you to avoid mistakes. Okay, so it's -2, 0, so f is over here. And y equal to 3 is a directrix, so 1, 2, 3. So y equal to 3 is right over here. Okay. So for this one, first, you need to find the vertex. So vertex is going to be halfway in between. It's going to be right over here. So that's going to be the vertex. Okay? And the coordinate of that would be -2, and this is going to be 1.5 or 3 over 2. Okay, so that's the vertex. Okay. So to find the equation, okay, so first you know that this is going to be, so D is over here, V is over here, so the graph is going to go like this. Okay, something like that. So you can see that from this picture over here, the graph is going to go like this. Okay, so you need to get your template ready. Okay, so that's your template. Okay, so this is going to be in the negative y direction. So that means you're going to have a negative y over here. Okay, so again, this is going to go down. So there's negative y direction. Okay. Then your vertex is -2 and 3 over 2. Now watch your x and the y. So this would be -3 over 2 for the y, and this would be x plus 2. Again, this is y, so this has to be x. Okay. The next thing is you have to figure out your a. So from here you can see that a. So from the graph you can see that a equal to 3 over 2. Okay. So a equal to 3 over 2. So 4a times by 4 will equal to 6. So you put this right over here. Okay, and that would be your answer for that. Okay. So again, it's very important you sketch out to figure out the parts, and then you can write your equation. Okay. Okay, let's go to the third item. And this one, we're going to go to page 415, and let's do number 16 for this one. Okay. Okay, number 16, the focus is at -2, 1, and the vertex is at -3, 1. Okay, so again, it's very important you sketch everything out. It helps you to visualize. Okay. Okay, the focus is -2, 1. And the vertex is -3, 1. Okay. So if the vertex is here, focus here, that means the graph is going to go this way. Okay, that means the graph is going to go this way. Again, just from here, right? Just from these 2 points, you can see the graph is going to go this way, and it's going to be positive x direction. Okay? And also from here, you can see that the a, so again, from the graph over here, you can see that a equal to 1, so 4a equal to 4. Okay? So again, sketch out, it helps you to visualize. Okay, so now let's go and get the template ready. Again, this is a parabola. Okay? So this is going to be in the x direction, so x goes over here. Okay, again, you got to figure your direction. So positive x direction, so x goes over here. That means y goes over here. And your vertex is -3, 1. Okay, so watch your x and the y. So this would be +3, right? +3. And this would be -1. Okay, and a, so a equal to 1, 4a equal to 4. So 4 goes over here. And that's it. Now this one you don't have to graph out, but if you have to graph, then again the opening is 4, so you go 2 on each direction. Over here. Again, sketch things out, it help you to visualize. Okay, so help you to determine the direction and all the things that you need. Okay. Okay, so the next item. For number 4 and number 5. Okay, let's go to page 422, and let's go and do number 20. Okay, so page 422, number 20. Okay, the equation of, so this is ellipse, so you can get all the information together. So it's ellipse, and giving points as 4 sides, so it'd be 0, comma, -5, and 0, 5. And the sum of focal radii is equal to 20, that means 2a equal to 20, so right away a equal to 10. Okay, so again, sketch things out to help you to visualize. So this is number 4 and number 5 on the breakdown list. So go to page 422, and let's go and do number 20. Okay, so you can sketch things out. Okay, the focus is 0, -5, and 0, 5. And this is ellipse. So ellipse, again, get your template ready. Okay, so that's your template for ellipse. Okay, so first we need to find the center. So center is halfway in between, so center is going to be right over here. So it's going to be 0, 0. Okay, so that way you're going to -0, -0. Okay, the next thing is you have to figure out your ABC. So over here, A equal to 10, and over here, this is C. So C equal to 5, and A equal to 10. Since this is in the y direction, so A squared equal to 100, and since this is going to be in the y direction, so this has to go in the y direction. So 100 goes over here. Okay. So now we have to figure out this over here. So you have to use Pythagorean theorem. But remember, for ellipse, your A is the biggest number, so you have to use B squared plus C squared equal to A squared. Okay. And over here, C equal to 5. Okay, so from here we count the square, right? So start to work it out. So B squared plus 5 squared equal to 10 squared. So B squared plus 25 equal to 100. Okay, and minus 25 on each side. So B squared equal to 75. Now you don't have to solve for B because it's not does not ask you for it. Okay, so B squared will go over here, because there's no other choice, right? And you simplify things a little bit, so you get x squared over 75 plus y squared over 100 equal to 1. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. So number 6 and number 7. Okay, on the list, let's go to page 434, and let's go and do number 10. Okay, so x plus 1 squared over 1 minus y minus 2 squared over 4 equal to 1. Okay, now this one it says matching, but I'm using this problem to use as an example. So for this one, we're going to find everything else. Okay, we need to go in graph, and we're going to find the 6 and 7.